Hey everyone, welcome back to Cars Fuse. If you're a Toyota Hilux owner, or just someone who's looking to understand your vehicle's fuse box setup, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore the fuse box diagram for the Toyota Hilux models from 2004 to 2015. Let's get started. Now, why is it important to understand your fuse box? Fuses are like the protective guards of your vehicle's electrical system. Knowing which fuse controls what, and how to replace it, can save you a lot of time and money. Some common fuse issues with the Hilux include blown fuses for the tail lights, the AC system, or the power windows. If you notice any of these problems, checking the fuse box first is usually a good place to start. So, in this video, I'll be breaking down the fuse box layout for Hilux models from 2004 to 2015. We'll look at the locations, the fuses you'll need to keep an eye on, and how to properly replace them. First things first, where are the fuse boxes in the Hilux? These models usually have two main fuse boxes, one inside the cabin and one under the hood in the engine bay. Engine bay fuse box, under the hood. Interior fuse box, under the dashboard on the driver's side, often near the left kick panel or under the steering wheel. Under the hood, you'll find the main fuse box, near the battery. This one controls the engine management system, lights, and other major components. Inside the cabin, the fuse box by the driver's seat will take care of the interior electronics like the radio, windows, and climate control. Now, let's get into the fuse box diagram itself. Here's a look at the layout for the engine bay fuse box. You can see it's divided into different sections. Each fuse is assigned to a specific circuit, so it's important to know which fuse controls what. Over here in the interior fuse box, you've got fuses for your dashboard, climate control, and other key electrical components inside the cabin. If your air conditioning stops working or your power windows are stuck, check the fuses in this box. So that's it for today's video. Knowing how to read and troubleshoot your Hilux's fuse box can save you a ton of time and frustration. I hope this helps you feel more confident when it comes to maintaining your vehicle's electrical system. Remember, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more car maintenance tips and tricks. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.